Are you feeling lonely right now? Like in this moment? It's a strange feeling, isn't it? You can be surrounded by people or have hundreds of friends online and still feel like you're on an island by yourself. If that's you, we see you and we wanna talk about it. Feeling lonely isn't a personal failure. It's a common side effect of modern life. As Anna from Devana's channel says, the companies behind this realized one very dark truth. A lonely person is incredibly profitable. But you don't have to just accept it. Let's talk about what you can do about it. Let's be real about why we're all feeling this way. We're more connected than ever, but much of it is shallow. We replace deep conversations with text threads. We replace community with curated feeds. We replace spontaneous hangouts with scheduled video calls. We're starving for real connection while drowning in a sea of digital noise. It's not your fault you feel this way. It's the environment we're all living in, but you can change the environment. First, let's fix your digital diet. Stop performing and start connecting. Right now, pick one person from your social media feed, an acquaintance, an old friend, someone you haven't spoke to in a while. Don't just like their photo, send them a message, ask a genuine question about their life. The goal is to turn a passive one-way interaction into an active two-way conversation. Trade a follow for a friend. Second, you need to find your third place. Your first place is home. Your second is work. You need a third place that's just for community. It doesn't have to be fancy. It's the same coffee shop every Wednesday morning. It's the library you go to read every Saturday. It's the dog park where you chat with other owners. The key is to choose a physical place and go there consistently. Not with the goal of meeting someone, but with the goal of just being around people. It rebuilds your comfort with being in the world. Think of Beth Harmon from The Queen's Gambit. She was a brilliant but deeply isolated prodigy. Her real growth didn't happen in her lonely room. It happened when she went to the chess club. That was her third place. It was where she found her peers, her rivals, and her community. She was still an individual, but she was no longer an island. Third, you have to make an invitation. This is the scariest step, but it's the most important. We're all terrified of rejection, so we say vague things like, we should hang out, which leads nowhere. You need to make a low-stakes, specific invitation. Give people an easy out. Use phrases like no pressure at all, or if you're free. You're not asking for lifelong commitment, you're asking for 1 hour of someone's time. Most people are just as lonely as you are and are secretly hoping someone will ask. And this is the most beautiful part. When you take these steps, you're not just healing your own loneliness, you're healing the loneliness of others. As the creator Anna Akana so perfectly said, and the scary part is, it doesn't have to end there, because the same way loneliness spreads, connection does too. Your one message, your one invitation, your one smile, it's a spark. Connection is a contagion, and you can be the one who starts it. The world is full of people waiting for someone else to make the first move. Be that person. You've got this. If you want to learn more about building connections, check out our video on signs of a true friendship. And for a look at your inner world, watch our video on how to comfort yourself when you're feeling alone.